Hi guys, we've just launched our new collection here at Shrine and today I'm trying our new Bronde Drop It. I'm so excited. For the first time ever, blondes can dye the hair darker just for a few days. I've always wanted to try brunette hair, but I've always been so scared, like what if I prefer my blonde, what if it doesn't wash out? This is the answer to our prayers. I'm going to use 30 drops a day because I've been really inspired by Hailey Bieber's hair recently and I cannot wait to see what it looks like. So the Bronde is a kit and it comes with a reusable little silicone bowl that we're going to fill with conditioner. So I'm going to use my favourite conditioner today. You just fill it to the line inside, and then of course the Bronde drops. You can use these up to 30 times, which is amazing because I'm usually buying one bottle of hair dye. It doesn't even cover my whole head, so I'm so excited to have this. And also we have a little silicone mixing tool to mix it all together. The first step is filling your bowl with your conditioner. There's a little fill line inside, so I'm just going to fill it up to there, and then we're going to go and add the drops in. On the side of the box, you've got a drop chart which shows you what colour your hair is going to go depending on how many drops you put in. I'd say I'm more of the bleached blonde. I'm going to use 30 drops a day to get the darkest blonde colour. So I'm going to go ahead and use 30 drops of Bronde to show you how intense you can make the colour on someone with as blonde hair as me. Just a little tip when you're adding your drops, make sure it's a little drop like that, not a full pipette. One thing I love about Shrine Drop It is that it's always vegan and cruelty free, of course, and there's absolutely no single-use plastic in this kit. As you can see, we're using a silicone bowl and mixing tool, and they're both reusable and everything is recyclable. So that's 30 drops in there. Then you use your little mixing tool to mix it all together. Make sure your conditioner and your drop it is fully mixed in to avoid any patchiness. And you can see the shade you're going to be getting. If it's too dark for you, you can always add more conditioner in, or if it's too light, you can add more drops in, of course. That's the beauty of Drop It, you can completely control your colour. So as you can see, that's all mixed in together. There's no white conditioner in there. I'm going to go ahead, dampen my hair and apply. I literally just bought out a little Shrine brush as well, which is really cute and really helps to apply. So I'm just going to dip it in, just going to put a little bit on the end of my brush and literally just paint it on. As you can see, I've fully covered my hair with the Bronde Drop It. I'm leaving my little money piece out to create a contrast. I'm going to leave it on for literally just 10 minutes, rinse with water, and I'll come back and show you the results. And this is the final result. I'm absolutely obsessed. I used 30 drops of Bronde mixed into conditioner to get this shade. As you can see, this was my original blonde and now this is the Bronde. I am in love with this colour. It really looks like the Hailey Bieber inspo that I wanted, so I'm so pleased. If you wanted it a bit lighter for yours, you could use less drops, and the best thing is it is going to fade out back to your blonde, which is amazing. Thank you for watching. If you've got any questions, let us know and I'll show you how it fades on social.